bore the weight, you took the fall. Now you're exalted above all. The heavens echo with your fame. Jesus, the power in your name. At the name of Jesus, every knee will bow.
This music you just listened to and everything was created using AI. Nobody voiced anything, nobody played the instruments or the drums. You can start a faceless YouTube channel that posts gospel music songs using this, and you're going to make a lot of money. You don't need any special skills for this. And on today's video, I'm going to be teaching you exactly how you can do that. Hi, my name is Jane and you're welcome back to the channel. And on this channel, I teach you how to use AI to leverage your social media presence and of course, make money. And our tutorial for today is how to create gospel worship songs using AI. If this is your first time seeing me, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I'm so happy to see you back. For this tutorial, we're going to be using 3 tools, AI tools as usual. And the first one is going to be ChatGPT, which is going to help us with our lyrics generation. The second one can be ChatGPT also to help us generate the image of the choristers that are singing. You can also use Pixverse, and I also have a video that I'm going to tag above for all the different text image generators that I have tried that you can also use for this step. Then the third step is where we're going to convert our lyrics to actual music, and we're going to use an AI tool called Suno.ai. And finally, after everything is done, we are going to lip sync our generated images or our generated videos with the music together to create the video you saw in the beginning. You understand as I get along. So guys, let's go straight into the tutorial. For this tutorial, I'm going to do everything on my phone to let you know that you can do this too. No special skills required. We are going to open ChatGPT and you're going to type this prompt. Give me 3 top Bible verses that praise the Lord Jesus. If you don't want praises, songs about praising the Lord, you want songs about faith or strength or whatever, you can, substitute that. So we can see this one: worthy is the Lamb who was slain to receive power and wealth and wisdom and strength and honor and glory and praise. Therefore God be exalted. So I think I like this one because it's not so popular, and so we are going to tell it to generate a beautiful gospel song lyric with Philippians 2 from verse 9 to 11 as you stated above. It should have just a verse and a chorus. So ChatGPT right now has generated this lyric for us. As you can see, very simple. All right, and so this takes us to the second part of this tutorial, which is how we are going to generate the music. Now, to generate the music itself, we are going to be using this application called Suno.ai. Suno, you can download it from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. And when you open it like this, you create a free account. You can create your free account with your Google. All right, so this is what the interface looks like. And then we are going to look at it. You can see other songs that are produced by other people. So we're going to click this sign here. And then you can see what it shows: simple custom song description. So we're going to click here and we're going to input our lyrics that we downloaded or that was generated for us with ChatGPT. And then we're going to ask for song description. We are going to say gospel. Okay, and then they're going to ask what kind of vocals do we want. We want female vocals, right? And ask what is the title. I think I should give the song, the title will be, this is going to take some time to generate. So the songs are ready and we can tap to play. So let's hear this one.
Humble low, but never alone. You bore the weight, you took the fall. Now you're exalted above all. The heavens echo with your.
That's the first one. I think it's lovely too. So let's try this one.
You came down from heaven's throne, humble low, but never alone.
Do you see? I think that is so amazing, right? So amazing. And so we're going to save them. Just click these 3 dots here and then we're going to click download. Now they do say something like need commercial rights, only premier songs are available for commercial use. I'm going to tell you guys at the end of the day if this has any effects in the comment section. If you post the full video, if they're going to be copyright strikes, I'll let you know. All right. If you've watched to this point and you're learning something, please like or subscribe to the channel as it helps the algorithm push this content forward for more people to see. Let's get back to the tutorial. So we're going to go back to ChatGPT, and this time we are going to work on the image generations, for the people, for the choir that was presenting the song, okay, that was singing the song, all right? So you can pause this and use this prompt for the text to image generator. So if you have issues with text image generators, I have a video on text image generators. You can just click that link and watch and see all the text image generators I tried. So I'm going to be trying a few of the text to image generators, okay, and I'll definitely just copy one. So I'm copying the prompts. So I gave the same prompt to ChatGPT to generate an image for me. I also gave the same prompt to CapCut to generate an image for me, and I'm going to take you through the process with CapCut, okay? Guys, I hope you guys know this is CapCut that I'm always talking about. So we are going to compare the two generations, the one from ChatGPT and the one from CapCut. So this one from CapCut, you click text to image, of course, copying the prompts that we've gotten from ChatGPT. I'm going to just paste that here. Guys, so the images are generated. So I want you guys to tell me the ones you think that are best. So this first set I'm going to be showing you are done with CapCut AI. The name of that CapCut AI is called Dreamina, all right? This is the first one from Dreamina.ai. Like, it looks so real, like a normal church. This one, love it. This one also from Dreamina.ai. They usually come, if you don't have a subscription, it comes with this kind of watermark, but you can just use any image eraser to erase it. Very easy. This one, I did it with Gemini. You can see that it looks a little bit cartoonish. This one, I did it with Leonardo.ai. Okay, look at what they look like. They look really nice too. Then these are the ones that I created with ChatGPT. This and this. And we're going to just pick one of them and turn that image into a video to give it a motion. All right, so that's the next step. Now, for the motion generation, as in changing the images to videos, right? We are going to just go on CapCut and create a new project. And we are going to choose from our photos and select the picture, right? Then selecting that picture, we are going to drag the picture for the duration we want it to be. So let's say we are going to drag it, let's say 8 seconds long, right? Then we are going to scroll over and then we are going to click AI video. You can see here image to video, all right? So you're going to describe what you want this video to do. The main character to sing passionately with little arm movements while the backup singers sing and have little sway motions. So this is what I'm going to put as the prompt for this, and we are going to change the video settings to this. 5 seconds is still okay. You can even do 10 seconds with CapCut. Note that this CapCut I'm using is Pro, right? And click generate. The second application that we can use to generate our videos from images is going to be Pixverse, okay? And this is the application, right? So we're going to click this plus button here and we're going to upload our image. We've selected the image, right? So we're going to click here and we're going to input our prompt. If you want this prompt, please let me know. I will just send it to you, okay? And then we've done all that. You pressed create. It's going to take 20 coins. And they will tell you when it's going to be ready, and it's going to be ready in 3 minutes, okay? Guys, this is the video that was generated, okay? This is the video that was generated. It's just 5 seconds long, and so we are just going to click this button down here and download it. And you download the watermark because, of course, this is not a paid version. So this is the beautiful generation that we got from, CapCut, and that's what we're going to use. That's what you saw in the beginning of the video, right? So you just click the save button and it's saved to your device. So we're going to go to the last part of this video right now as this is saving, and that is the lip sync to add the music into what she's saying. All right. To do this, you're also going to be using the CapCut app. You just import the video that you downloaded, scroll over until you see lip sync, click it, and then you can see you can enter a text or you can click add audio. Click add audio and then you go and select, search. All right. So when you get to search, you click this folder icon beside the fire icon and click, you select from your files, whatever you saved that song as, you select it, okay, and then you add it to the project. At some point in your AI journey, either you're trying to use it to leverage the social media capital or you're trying to make money off of AI, you have to invest in some AI tools. And if there's any AI tool I think you should invest in, it has to be CapCut, because CapCut gives you the opportunity to even generate images from text, generate videos from text. You can even do you can even generate music, soundtracks. Yes, with CapCut. So I would advise you to also get the CapCut app. So we're also going to go to another app to and run that, and that is going to be the Dreamface app. All right, to do a lip sync, we're going to click the Dreamface app. Open the Dreamface app. We have all this. So we are going to use video lip sync. So I posted a video before about how I did my talking baby avatar. Please go and watch that video. That's what is here. So you're going to click the avatar right here. Let's use this one and confirm. So where it says add to script, you're going to click add scripts, and then you're going to click import from files, and then you're going to add your voice. Press confirm, and the next thing you click is animate, and that's it. It's going to take some time to animate, and then we'll have the final video ready. So guys, that is it for today's video, and of course, if you've learned something, please like the video and comment. Now for all the prompts, as I said, put them in the comment section if you need them, and I will reply you. I reply to all my comments. If there's any other video you would like me to do, please put it also in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to it. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Bore the weight, you took the fall. Now you're exalted above all. The heavens echo with your fame. Jesus, the power